Okay. For the hood.
Alright, go ahead and aim that 5x. One shot only. Get your shirt off the trigger off the first shot. Alright, perfect. You're just off to the left there. Real off to the left there. Alright, good job. Hold on. Every time you have to use shoot, start doing that.
Because it feels like...
You want to bring yourself up, and all you have to do to adjust yourself is this here.
Okay.
If you need to adjust so that these are level, that's this. And then if you need to shoot higher, lower, left, and right.
Gotcha.
You don't need to move your legs at all. Yeah, you start just getting lower and lower. All of a sudden you're on my height. So what's going on here? There you go. And when you drop a little bit, all that is just that.
Okay.